Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video, and this video is based on trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is there in class 9 ICSE board and also in class 10 CBSE board. So without just wasting time, let's get started. So let us consider this right angle triangle, because trigonometric ratios is all about the relation between the sides of a right angle triangle and the angles. Okay, sides. So this is a right angle triangle. If this is 90 degree, then the side opposite to the 90 degree is called the hypotenuse. Now if we consider this angle as theta, then this one is going to be the base, because the side with the hypotenuse, and if we consider this as theta, then this is the base and this is the height or altitude. Okay, again if we consider another triangle like this is 90 degree, then of course this is the hypotenuse. But if this angle is theta, the side which will be attached with the hypotenuse is always the base. Remember this. People get confused that which side, they generally take this as base, but no, if this is theta, then the side with the hypotenuse is always the base and this will be the height. This is very important considering these trigonometric ratios. Which angle is theta? If this is theta, this is the hypotenuse, then this will be the base. The side which is, see, when we make an angle, two lines make an angle, two lines join together, intersection of two lines. Okay, so when this one side is hypotenuse, another side should be the base. If this is theta, if you consider this angle, and if you consider this angle as theta, then this is the hypotenuse, this will be the base, not this one. Okay, so remember this. So now considering this angle as theta and hypotenuse, base and height, we have some trigonometric ratios. What are they? Sine theta. Okay, SINE, actually the spelling is SINE, sine theta, but we write it as SIN theta. Okay, sine theta. Then is cosine or cos theta. Then is tan theta or tangent, we say tangent. Then sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, their reciprocal is called, like sine theta's reciprocal is, okay, let us first know what is sine theta. Sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, height by hypotenuse or perpendicular. We can also say this as height or perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. And tan theta is perpendicular by base. Now there is some relation between sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. What is that? Tan theta, we can also say it as sine theta by cos theta. This is again another relation. Remember this one. Tan theta is what? Sine theta by cos theta. See, if you write, consider that tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta, means sine theta is what? Sine theta we have seen perpendicular by hypotenuse and it is base by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse and it is base by hypotenuse. See, this hypotenuse gets cancelled out, and so we find it as perpendicular by base. See, we have considered here also it is perpendicular by base, and here also we see that by using this formula also we can find it perpendicular by base. Okay, now next we consider what is there are more few angles like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Then is cosec theta or cosecant. Cosec theta, it is written in your book, you can find it out. Cosec theta is also called cosecant. Okay, cosecant, and secant is there, that is sec theta, and cotangent or cot theta. Now cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that means 1 by sin theta. Now what was our sin theta? Sin theta was perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now if it gets reciprocal, then what will happen? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. That means cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Sec theta will be 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so it will be hypotenuse by base, because cos theta was what? Base by hypotenuse. So its reciprocal means hypotenuse by base. These relations are very important, just remember this. Then is the cot theta or cotangent theta. What is that? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Our tan theta was perpendicular by base, so what will be cot theta? Yes, base by perpendicular, right? So this is all about the trigonometric ratios. If you just know these things, it's good, but you should also know this one, which one is reciprocal of which one, and also the relation. Remember that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is very important. Applications of trigonometric ratios and also the trigonometric angles will be there. You have to use it in trigonometric identities, and also later on you will study in class 10 heights and distance. So all these things are very important. You should know what is sec theta. Generally people forget what is sec theta, cos theta, cosec theta, whose reciprocal is which one. Remember this, it's very easy. I will tell you how to remember whose reciprocal. See, like this, sec theta and cos theta, so it's come as cosec theta. You can very easily remember like this. Means people generally say that, students generally tell me ki how to remember whose reciprocal is which one. Like sin theta, see, and cos theta, tan theta. See here in tan theta t is there, and in cot theta also t is there. So you can remember like this, t and t. In cos theta it is sec theta, c and s is there, see, cos sec, and sin is cosec. See here also cosec, cosec, it should be there, tan, cot. Like this you can remember, okay? In this video I am just giving you the basic knowledge about the trigonometric ratios and angles. So let's not I'm not doing the sums, I'm just giving you the basic knowledge about the chapter. So there are a few formulas also, that is, this is an identity actually. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, whatever the angle value is theta, it's always 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So you can also write it like this. If somewhere you have to take out sin square theta, take this cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. Use it in this way, okay? So these are the relation. The first relation is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Second is sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. And another one is, third one is cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so using this relation we have to solve many problems. Remember this, learn it by heart. Now I will explain the part of trigonometric angles, basic knowledge about trigonometric angles. Trigonometric angles is also essential for the trigonometric identities problem solution and also in heights and distance. So both ratios and angles, trigonometric ratios and angles are important. Okay, now trigonometric angles, generally students forget what angle is what. So it's my request to the students that you just practice lot of sums. When you practice lots of sums, then you just remember the angles easily. You know how much is sin 30 or cos 60 or whatever. Okay, but even if you forget, there is a shortcut method which I can tell. in case of any emergency you can use it. If you forget that which angle was the value of the angles, if you forget. Okay, so now these are the angles theta, and here the ratios we will write, like sine theta, cos theta, then is tan theta, sin theta's reciprocal cosec theta, cos theta's reciprocal sec theta, and tan theta's reciprocal is cot theta. Okay, now in our syllabus, as I said, in class 10, up to class 10 we have standard angles up to 90 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So these are the angles which are there in your class 10 syllabus, till class 10 syllabus. Okay, now if you remember sine, cos and tan, you can easily find out cosec, sec and cot, because they are the reciprocal of the first three ratios, sine, cos, tan. Okay, now for finding out sine theta, I am not going to, I am telling you this trick. This is one trick. You don't have to remember the table. If you don't remember the values and all, then you can easily draw this table anytime. So for finding out sine theta's value, we will do one thing: root of 0 by 4, root of 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. What I did nothing but in the square root I wrote first one. For 0 degree I wrote 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 sequentially, from 0 to 1 divided by 4 and their square root. Okay, so what is 0 by 4? It's 0. Root of 0 is 0. So our sine 0 is 0. Sine 0's value will be 0. Again, in case of 30 degree, it's 1 by 4. Root of 1 by 4 means 1 by 2. Isn't it? So sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Again, this one if you consider, it's 2 2s are 4. If you cancel out, then in the denominator it will be root 2. So it's 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, this one, root 3 and 4 root is 2. 4 by 4 is 1. So square root of 1 is also 1. So we see that sine, all the values we get like this: sine 0 0, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Now whatever the value of the sine is, it's just opposite, means just if we write it in opposite way, then is the cos theta's value. Like what is sine 90? It's 1. Cos 0 will be 1. Just we have to reverse the whatever we wrote like this, we have to reverse it for the cos theta. Values of cos theta just is reverse of sine theta's values. This one will be root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2 and then lastly 0. See, just whatever we wrote like this, we just wrote it in reverse way in cos theta. Just note this one: sine theta and cos theta are same for angle 45 degree. That means sine 45 and cos 45 are same. Both are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Sine 0 is 0 and cos 90 is 0. Sine 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. Okay. Now, as I said earlier in this video, that tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So the values will be also sine theta by cos theta's values. Then that means tan 0 is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 is always 1. Sorry, 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Then this one, if we consider tan 30, then this 2 and this 2 will be cancelling out, and what we will get? Tan 30 as 1 by root 3. isn't it? See, if we write it like this, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled out and we get as 1 by root 3. See, right? Again, tan 45, see, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 means both will be getting cancelled out and it will be 1. For tan 60, this 2 will get cancelled out and we will get as root 3. And this will be 1 by 0 means it is undefined or not defined. Right? Because 1 by 0 is not defined. Right? Similarly, you can also write the values of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, because cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. Cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta. So if it is reciprocal of sin theta, then cosec 0 will be what? Since it is 0, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. So we will write it here as not defined. Right? Then cosec 30. Cosec 30 is 1 by 1 by 2. That is 1 by 1 by 2 is how much? It's 2. Then 1 by 1 by root 2. That means only root 2. Just reciprocal the values of sin theta, you will get the values of cosec theta. This has 2 by root 3, and again see 1 by 1 means 1. Similarly, the values of sec theta, 1 by 1 means 1, 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. It becomes 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 by 1, this will be root 2 only. And see, in this case 1 by 1 by 2 means it will be 2. Okay, sec 60 degrees 2. Then sec 90 degrees, see, because the denominator comes as 0, 1 by 0, so it will be sec 90 degree will be not defined. Again, cot theta we will find out. 1 by 0 means it will be not defined. Cot 30 degree. See, what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. So it's get reciprocal means cot 30 will be root 3. Cot 30 will be root 3. Cot 45 degree will be, because tan 45 is 1, cot 45 1 by 1 means it's also 1. Similarly, cot 60 is, because it's cos tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 you can see in the video, it's root 3. So cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. And tan 90 is 0. So cot 90 will be 0. Because so students, hopefully I made it clear very easily how you can, if you don't remember the angles, only when you don't remember the angles, or if you are confused with some angles, values and all standard angles, then you can make this table easily for sine, cos, tan. Because if you find out sine, you can easily get cos, and then sine by cos is tan, you can easily find out the values. And these are all the reciprocals, so these three don't need to means if you don't remember, but actually I will say that remember, because every time you're not going to make the table and then you are going to do the sums, isn't it? It's not possible. So if you practice the trigonometric standard angles and ratios properly, then you easily remember the values of the angles. If you practice a lot of sums, you will easily remember that this, like sine and cos 45 degrees same, it's 1 by root 2. It's very easy, it's not hard at all. But if you get confused, if you find that like generally students get confused for sine 30 and cos 30, or sine 60 and cos 60, whether it's 1 by 2 or 1 by root 3 by 2. So for that reason, for some confusion, you can make the table always. For that reason only, I made it easier for you people. I hope it is clear. that this trigonometric angles chapter is clear right now. Now there are few more trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. There are some like this. There are some relations. One is sine of 90 degree minus theta. When we do it, sine 90 minus theta, it becomes cos theta. Then cos of 90 minus theta, it will become sine theta. See, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta and vice versa. Okay, cot 90 minus theta is also tan theta. Then is sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. And also the reverse is also true, that is cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, sec 90 minus theta cosec theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is also, if you write it another relation we can write, cot of 90 minus theta is tan theta. You remember the pairs sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. For this sine 90 minus theta, 90, when we are doing 90 minus theta angle, that time sine and cos are in pair, tan and cot, sec and cosec are in pair. So when we do cosec 90 minus theta, we have to write sec theta, not sine theta. Okay, remember this properly. So these are all about this is all about the basic knowledge of trigonometric angles and standard ratios. I hope the chapter is clear. If you want more videos regarding this, I will try to include some kind of sums of trigonometric angles and ratios, both the chapters. So please let me know in the comment section if you want few more sums to include in this video. I will try to make a separate video for solving the sums of trigonometric ratios and angles, how to solve it easily, and hope it is clear to you now the standard angles and the trigonometric ratios. Thank you.